Hey everyone. Ever wondered what that tiny spiky spice you see in your kitchen can actually do for your health? I'm talking about cloves. Yep, those little brown buds have been treasured for centuries. Not just for their flavor, but for their amazing health benefits. So, let's dive in. Here are 10 health benefits of cloves you probably didn't know. Number 1. Cloves are loaded with antioxidants. These compounds help fight free radicals in your body, which can slow down aging and lower your risk of diseases. One of the main antioxidants in cloves is eugenol, a powerful defender for your cells. Number 2. They're natural germ fighters. Cloves have strong antibacterial properties. Some studies even show that clove extracts can stop the growth of bacteria like E. coli. Number 3. Suffering from a nagging toothache? Cloves have been used for centuries as a natural pain reliever. The eugenol in cloves acts like a mild anesthetic and can bring quick relief. Just remember, it's a short-term fix. See a dentist for the real solution. Number 4. Cloves can help improve digestion. They boost the secretion of digestive enzymes, which can help with indigestion and bloating. Next time you feel a bit uncomfortable after a meal, try sipping clove tea. Number 5. They help regulate blood sugar. Some research suggests cloves may aid in controlling blood sugar levels, which is great news if you're watching your glucose. Number 6. Cloves may support liver health. The antioxidants in cloves can help protect your liver from oxidative stress and inflammation. Number 7. They're good for your bones. Cloves contain manganese, a mineral that's essential for strong bones and overall health. Number 8. Got a cold coming on? Cloves can act as a natural expectorant. They help loosen mucus, making it easier to breathe and recover faster from coughs and colds. Number 9. They freshen your breath. Chewing on a clove can zap bad breath and leave your mouth feeling minty fresh. Plus, it's all natural. And finally, number 10. Cloves might help reduce inflammation. Thanks to their powerful compounds, cloves can help calm inflammation in the body, which is linked to tons of chronic diseases. So, there you have it, 10 incredible reasons to add a pinch of cloves to your daily routine. But remember, a little goes a long way. If you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more bite-sized health tips. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.